Hello, I'm Val, and we're doing Charleston months. Today, we pretty much just lived in 20s Charleston. So what you want to practice and doing this on even beat. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You want to have that pulse going on because it's easier than doing this. And just think about out, 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 out. And then you can do all kinds of stuff with it, like just kind of hovering, boo, boo, doo, boo, going back and forth, going back, and going forward. So we did like a little routine that went like that. We did 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So practice that. Then we did something. We did basic 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, knee slap and heel, 8, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. We did that. Then we did scarecrows, ooh, bah. And the little combo was basic 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's what we did.